Why homemade sauerkraut could be your secret weapon against fat, cancer and heart disease. Sauerkraut is cabbage that has been fermented, which is where the distinct sour taste comes from. It is popularly used as a side dish or even as a condiment in certain cultures, which can be added to sausage or hot dogs. This vegetable has numerous health benefits, most of them scientifically proven. This super healthy vegetable can provide many health benefits such as, improve your digestive health, improve the circulation, it improves your heart health, provide you with quick energy boost, stimulates your immune system, strengthen your bones, reduce your overall cholesterol levels, eliminate inflammation, protect against certain cancer and even improve your vision and skin health. Sauerkraut nutrition facts. Sauerkraut contains high amounts of dietary fiber as well as significant levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K and various B vitamins. Sauerkraut is also a good source of iron, manganese, copper, sodium, magnesium, and calcium in addition to contributing a moderate amount of protein to your diet. Sauerkraut is rich in vitamin C. In the past, sailors used to carry sauerkraut with them everywhere they went because they knew that this amazing vegetable was loaded with vitamin C. This amazing veggie was an effective cure against scurvy, which is caused by vitamin C deficiency. Sauerkraut is a probiotic. The process of souring creates the probiotics benefits. Natural fermentation of vegetables provides good bacteria for the digestive system. It is recommended to take sauerkraut after taking antibiotics. This method will help you restore the healthy bacteria in your intestines. Prevents cancer. Did you know that sauerkraut is one of the top foods for cancer prevention? Well, yes, and this is mostly cause of these three compounds. Flavonoids, they protect the arteries from narrowing down and against damage. Glucosinolate, it activates the natural antioxidant enzymes in the body. Isothiocyanate, this vegetable is high in isothiocyanate, which has powerful anti-cancer properties. Stronger and healthier heart. Sauerkraut is rich in fiber, which improves digestion. It also improves the heart and brain health. Some of the other health benefits of the fiber are: reduces the risk of arteriosclerosis, reduces the risk of a stroke or a heart attack, controls the bad cholesterol levels, sauerkraut for stronger bones. This vegetable is rich in minerals which are useful for the health of the bones. These minerals prevent osteoporosis. The content of vitamin K helps in keeping the bones healthier. This vitamin helps to regulate the production of proteins, which are necessary for maintaining bones mineralization. So you should definitely include sauerkraut into your healthy diet. Sauerkraut for weight loss. Eating fermented food such as sauerkraut promotes weight loss. Eating fermented food positively affects the metabolism. A recent study has found that cabbage fermentation affects and promotes the inflammatory process, lipid metabolism, and obesity in a particular way. Make your own sauerkraut. Most of the sauerkraut which is sold in the stores has been heated to a point in which all the beneficial bacteria have been killed off. However, it is very easy to make your own homemade sauerkraut. It is also cheaper and much better. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Basic sauerkraut. Serves: 1 gallon, preparation time, 20 minutes, fermentation time, 1 to 6 months, ingredients: 2 tablespoons of unrefined sea salt, a few large, green cabbages. Directions: 1. First you need to core the cabbages and shred the remains. You can use a food processor. 2. Put the cabbages and some salt in a large bowl together. Knead them with your hands and break the cellular structure of the cabbage. 3. The cabbage will start to release juices and will become limp. When this happens, you will have to pack it into a vegetable fermenter or sauerkraut crock as tightly as possible. If you are not in a possession of one, use a large glass jar to pack it. Pound with a wooden spoon. 4. You need to keep pounding till the cabbage is submerged in liquid. This is vital since the key to food fermentation is that it need to be below the liquid. If the ferments are exposed to air, the chances of them to become contaminated by molds, yeast and stray microbes is increased. 5. Cover it loosely and put it on a room temperature so it can begin the fermentation process. It can take for 1 to 6 months. It depends on your taste. 6. Test it every couple of days. When it is to your liking, store it in the fridge where it can remain for 6 months at the minimum. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.